everyone, and I hope you're doing quite well today. This is yet another report from the Scholars Sports Desk, where we keep you up to date around the world of Scholars athletics and sports. My name is Carlos, and here is what will be on the lineup from November 2nd to November 9th. Varsity cross country will be having their last meet of the season, city championships at Van Cortlandt Park. Our qualifying runners will be going up the best in the city this Saturday, so be sure to support them for the last time. Winter season sports are fast approaching, with tryouts for some of them going on this week, including cheer this Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, as well as swimming tryouts taking place this Monday and Wednesday. Anyone interested in trying out for these teams should check out our website for more information. Now let's go ahead and push this information to the side and talk about middle school. There will be 2 girl volleyball games on Monday and Wednesday at 11:30 and 10:30 respectively. And now make sure to keep up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholars Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. Check out psal.org and our calendar under our landing page at scholarsnyc.com so you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening with Scholars Sports throughout the season. And that's it for the sports report for this week. I am Carlos, and I'll see you next time.